So friends, again I come to you. All friends, I welcome to you. So friends, I would say that today my will be topic that our rural area, what can be person. Yeah. In most of the people thinks in especially I'm telling you about rural area. Yeah. Rural area children like this is happen. That's when he completed 8th class, 9th class, and they started thinking, yeah, they start thinking that we should, we should for earning, we should go for earning outside, yeah, outside, yeah, in like this, they think, but they don't think that's the first of all, we should complete study, yeah, in how much importance the study most of the children don't know. Yeah, I know this time. That's in this time I'm doing practice. This time can be mistake, but I know so much so that that's one day my speech will be good. In like this, I will not practice. So please, you tell me how can I learn? How can I learn my communication and my vocabulary in how will be good? In I have to continue. I have to continue unless I will I will not practice that I can't learn English. So in like this I have to continue in same way the children the children should be think the children should think that's in first of all I should complete BA MA, yeah, after that you go outside for earning money. But in when in this time, yeah, this time as children, any boys girl, that first of all, when his uh, his age happened that in about 15, 16, 17, 18, in just he should big mobile. Yeah, they should big mobile, but because they will they will go on net, they will go on play game, anything. But this time in age he completed age 18, 19 in just they should big mobile. Otherwise they will speak to father preneurs that and please give me money I will go to buy in mobile 9,000, 10,000 as price mobile. But in they don't know that and this is not important things. In first of all we should complete study. They don't know. Yeah, in this time the more you are looking, the more you are looking successful person that first of all he completed 40 years till study. First of all he completed study. How much years in he study? 40 years, 45 years, 50 years in like this. Any person 35 in unless he will not complete study that they don't search job. Yeah, they don't search job. Already they know when my study will be complete already can be job, can be anything, can be business. Yeah, but in rural area boys girl in like this don't think. I'm not saying that. I'm saying also I have no more knowledge. Yeah, I am helpless boy that I have no more knowledge. in I am also not studying, I am not hardworking, but I should hardworking. We should hardworking. In every person thinks like this. Immediately in will come money. That first of all, in this time, yeah, you have to care, you have to see, yeah, that you look, yeah, you see, that in any labor, in they will work all day. After that, he get money 200 rupees. Yeah. After that, he get 200 rupees. While any officer only 1 hour he sit of self office, that how much earn money? 30,000, 35,000. Like this, he get monthly. Yeah. But I'm not thinking that in like this we will get job because we did not more study. Yeah, we did not more study. Yeah, in this time, in so much so that I can't speak fluently. Yeah, that in I'm not intelligent boy. That that's any books. Yeah, any books in I can study. Yeah, in this time I'm doing hard work. That this time I see what will happen the future. Yeah, but in rural area, boys, girl, in how will improve in this time we should protest. Yeah, we should protest. In but my head is saying that I have decided one thing that in my mission is to I want to fluent English. Yeah, that my mission has that I want to open in English speaking course in any market. Yeah, that I see in this time 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years. But unless I will not complete it, I will not leave that. Yeah, what I am, what I am my mission, I will complete that. Whatever happen my life. Yeah, in this any my friend will watch will have been watch my video that my friends will have been saying me that yeah, your speech is not good, that you every time mistake. Yeah, friends, this time mistake. Yeah, this time can be mistake. So we want to plant every time. Please you please you leave me. Yeah, for that we want to fly. That this time I am trying, I am learning. So can we mistake? So that friends, one thing I want to say, as I am doing practice, you also practice. If you want to learn English, that you have to practice also. Yeah. And any place you roar. Yeah. First of all, in unless your mouth will not open, that you can't learn. So any place in there will be many person. Yeah. That you have to speak. Yeah, there is in anything, no problem. That another person has your in front of you. That what you're thinking, that no problem. Let them laugh, no problem. In this time, in what I'm saying you, please you listen. Yeah, but in this is mobile, so this is not my computer. That I'm not making long video. Yeah, because long video will not upload this mobile. So in about I can make in about 14 minutes, 13 minutes. Like this I make video. That when I'm free, that time I make video, because in every time I don't free. Yeah, in this time, in about this time I'm doing in work in practice, yeah, medical practice. That in this time I'm going on one in small CST. Yeah, so every time I don't free. Yeah, when I'm free I make video. So please, who friends is watching my video, yeah, I'm not saying that like this happen, that whatever in this time in you have to speak. Yeah, in this time I'm practice here. In there will be many person. Yeah, there will be many person. One day I will speak there. Yeah, in can be mistake that. Yeah, it is no so matter. So I don't make a long video, because this is mobile. So so in about as far as I know, that about in Kant long video. So friends, in this time, yeah, this time about in as far as in any all speech is mistakes, please we want apologize.